Chevrolet is about to do something it walked away from not long ago. Release a genuine plug-in hybrid Silverado, and this time the system is built to actually deliver. If you've been holding off on a new truck because nothing on the market feels like a real step forward, the 2027 Silverado Hybrid is the overhaul that makes the wait worthwhile. It's arriving with a 14,000-pound towing rating thanks to a plug-in hybrid setup that doesn't ask you to sacrifice a single thing. Number 6. All-new hybrid powertrain. General Motors tried to move fast with electrification a few years back. The plan was to transition the full-size truck lineup toward battery electric vehicles and leave combustion behind. EV adoption slowed, consumer demand came in below projections, and that aggressive pivot started looking far less sustainable than it did on paper. The result was a reset, and what GM is bringing forward instead is something far more practical. Think about what most Silverado buyers actually deal with every week. Long commutes, heavy loads, hauling equipment across job sites, and a fuel bill that never stops climbing. A full battery electric truck introduces real problems for anyone working beyond the range of a charging station. What this kind of buyer has been asking for is something more practical, and a plug-in hybrid answers that question directly. The 2027 Silverado is getting a genuine plug-in hybrid powertrain, not the mild hybrid variety that shaves a mile or two off fuel consumption, but a full system with real electric capability built in from the ground up. GM is backing the program with an $888 million investment at its Tonawanda propulsion plant in New York. The new setup is integrating with the 6th generation small block V8, replacing the outgoing 5.3 and 6.2-liter units. The 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder carries over at 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, and the 3.0-liter Duramax turbodiesel is confirmed at 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. A new powertrain is compelling on its own, but a hybrid system that can't back it up with real capability numbers isn't worth much, and that's exactly where the next reason comes in. Number 5. Strong towing capacity. The Silverado has always been a capable utility machine. That reputation is real, and longtime owners know it. But there's a ceiling on the current generation, and the 2027 Silverado Hybrid is about to push straight through it. Anyone who regularly pulls a fifth wheel or heavy equipment knows the feeling well. You're watching the temperature gauge climb on a long grade, thinking twice about the next hill, doing mental math on every loaded mile. That constant awareness of operating near your truck's limit isn't just stressful. It's a signal that the truck isn't quite keeping up with what you actually need. That's exactly the problem the new Silverado is built to solve. The 2027 model is breaking the 14,000-pound towing barrier, and the plug-in hybrid contributes directly. Electric motors deliver maximum torque at the lowest RPMs, exactly where it matters most during hookup and initial pull. The platform is also receiving structural improvements under an updated body-on-frame architecture, preserving the solid rear axle and leaf spring setup that work truck buyers depend on. The towing numbers are a serious upgrade, but a truck that pulls 14,000 pounds and still costs a fortune to fuel every week is only solving half the problem, which is exactly what the next reason addresses. Number 4. Efficiency and EV range. Fuel costs are a weekly reality for full-size truck owners. That's one of the areas where the 2027 Silverado Hybrid is going to make the biggest difference in day-to-day ownership. Most people buying a full-size truck aren't driving it across the country every week. They're commuting, running errands, picking up materials, and paying full-size fuel costs the entire time. That's the part that never gets easier. The plug-in hybrid setup addresses this directly, giving buyers a window of electric-only range that covers exactly the kind of daily driving most owners actually do. For someone on a predictable daily loop, a large portion of regular driving costs nothing at the pump. Beyond that, the 6th generation small block is already targeting approximately 6% better fuel economy than the outgoing V8 engines, with hybrid assist pushing those numbers further during normal driving. That combination, genuine efficiency on the road and EV convenience around town, is what separates this powertrain from every other option in the class. The efficiency gains are real, but if you've spent time inside the current Silverado, you know the powertrain was never its only weak point, and the next reason is where Chevrolet is finally doing something about that. Number 3. All-new interior. The current Silverado's cabin has faced legitimate criticism for years, particularly in upper trims where the pricing implies refinement that the interior hasn't always delivered. That criticism is about to become a thing of the past. There's a specific frustration that comes with spending $50,000 or $60,000 on a truck and finding materials that feel like they belong in something half the price. But the cabin keeps reminding you that this is still the previous generation's interior. That gap is exactly what Chevrolet is closing. The centerpiece is a massive display running from behind the steering wheel wheel across the full width of the dashboard, built around the same 33-inch curved glass architecture found in current Cadillac models. Gauge cluster and infotainment are united under a single continuous piece of glass. A column-mounted digital precision shift selector frees up the console for storage and dual inductive wireless charging, and Super Cruise hands-free driving is continuing as a compatible feature. Materials and seat comfort are receiving comprehensive upgrades across every trim level, from the WT to the High Country and other range-topping trims, where massaging front seats are arriving for the first time in Silverado history. A cabin this good deserves equally capable technology behind it, and that's precisely what the next reason is about. Number 2. New tech and safety features. A full redesign brings more than a new dashboard. The 2027 Silverado is arriving with a comprehensive technology and safety upgrade that runs through every corner of the truck. The fully configurable digital instrument cluster lets drivers prioritize towing data, efficiency readouts, or navigation based on their needs. A larger infotainment system brings faster processing and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Long-distance driving is genuinely tiring work. Hours behind the wheel, constant lane discipline, traffic that never quite cooperates. That's where Super Cruise hands-free driving assistance earns its place, giving the driver real relief on stretches where the truck manages the lane and following distance without constant input. On the safety side, updated radar and camera arrays are bringing better detection ranges and more precise responses. The upgraded 10-speed automatic is also receiving a revised valve body, directly addressing the rear wheel lockup concern from previous model years. All of this would mean very little if the price tag pushed it out of reach, but that's the part that might surprise you most. Number 1. Attractive price. Everything described in this video, the plug-in hybrid powertrain, the 14,000-pound towing capacity, the redesigned interior, the full technology overhaul, is arriving without the price escalation that normally accompanies a generation change of this scale, and that applies to the hybrid variant as well. Plug-in hybrid trucks have historically carried price premiums that put them out of reach for a large portion of the market. The 2027 Silverado Hybrid is going to land in a different position entirely. While exact figures are still pending confirmation, the expectation is that the hybrid will slot in at a reasonable premium above the equivalent gas-only trims, close enough that the long-term fuel savings start making the math work in your favor almost immediately. Think about what a plug-in hybrid saves you over 3 or 4 years of ownership. Daily electric driving eliminates a significant portion of weekly fuel costs. That running cost reduction doesn't just offset the hybrid premium. Over time, it effectively makes the Silverado Hybrid one of the most affordable full-size trucks to actually own. A truck that costs a little more at signing but noticeably less every single week is a better deal than a cheaper truck that keeps draining your wallet at the pump. For a full-size truck with this level of capability, interior quality, and powertrain technology, the 2027 Silverado Hybrid is shaping up to be one of the strongest value propositions the segment has seen in years. The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado Hybrid is arriving as the most complete version of this truck General Motors has ever built. A genuine plug-in hybrid powertrain backed by $888 million in development, towing figures crossing the 14,000-pound barrier for the first time, a cabin that finally matches what buyers at this price point are paying for, and a technology package that brings the Silverado in line with the best the segment has to offer. The pricing is holding steady at a level that makes the value case hard to argue with. The current model is a capable truck, but what is coming is a different conversation entirely. And for anyone serious about their next purchase, waiting a little longer is the move that makes the most sense. But rivals are shaping up for the next year as well, including the class leader, the 2027 Ford F-150, which you can check out in our next video. It's getting a new powertrain, but not an electrified one. Instead, it's coming directly from bigger Super Duty brothers, with displacement and old-school design you thought you'd never see in this segment again.